Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend so far. And welcome to this new video we had to make on Solana. All right, massively bullish over the course of today. Was already quite bullish over the last couple of days. I mean, we're looking at the daily time frame here. And basically since Tuesday, we've been bullish. Which, by the way, if you're interested in that type of thing, we actually bought Solana at 175 in the Signal group, which was one of my best buys this year so far. But amazing trades. If you're interested in general in becoming a better trader and spotting trades, because this buy on Solana was pretty textbook, consider joining. That's up to you. Links are down in the description. Right now, it's something very different we have to talk about, and that is the massive bullish momentum that we're seeing for Solana right now. And that has to do with a couple of things. I mean, first of all, technically, we actually turned quite bullish already on Wednesday when we were able to break above this level at $200 again. But outside of that, we actually got the kind of bullish catalyst that it seemed like Trump was going to be very positive and very bullish on US-based projects, such as Solana, that was explicitly mentioned. So Solana fundamentally already got a boost then, and what we had overnight, just after I went to bed at 4 a.m., we had the Trump coin launch on Solana, and that in general, in combination with what happened last week, and just in general the markets. I mean, the markets as a whole are quite strong as well, right? So Solana, like I said, it was already bullish, was pushed up higher because of this. The fundamentals in general were already doing good. Daily transactions, daily active addresses, fine. Total value locked growing, DEX trading volumes growing. These are going to be absolutely massive tomorrow, because I believe the Trump coin is putting in like on DEXs on Solana, it's putting in over $3 billion, I actually believe, of volume. So what that means is that a lot of people are actually buying Solana to buy that meme coin. But the big question is, well, what does it mean? Can we actually expect a breakout? Because right now we're back at that same previous resistance level we hit in November, around 250. And what we want to see, ideally, is that we're actually able to break above that and rally up higher. And I'm going to be completely honest with you, it's tough to say. I mean, right now, the first thing we see is that the volume is amazing. The volume right now is $13 billion. I think the fundamentals are good as well and good enough to break out. But in the end, first of all, it's the weekend. And then second of all, we have the Trump inauguration coming up on Monday. There is a quite high likelihood that that's going to be some sort of a sell the news effect, right? So do I think we can break above 250? For sure, all right? The most promising scenario for now is that we're able to break above 250. I actually think 250 is the main level to break. I mean, you can see the last time we went up to 263. I don't think that matters. I think 250 is enough to actually get a breakout, and then the first price target would obviously be that 300 level, which would be amazing to get there. So do I think this is possible? Yes. Do I think it is most likely? At this point of time, no. Like I said, I actually do think that Bitcoin, even though it's still bullish right now, has a quite high likelihood to fall down. And then outside of that, like I said, I think the likelihood of Monday being a sell the news effect in combination with the technical situation in the markets right now is not good enough to provide a bullish breakout right now. Now, can we have a bullish breakout next week after some sort of a sell the news effect and potentially after some new news regarding US-based projects? Yes. And do I expect this ultimately down the line? For sure. But I think short term, it's just a little bit more likely that we'll hit that level and we might even spike up there. But that we will actually drop back down into $215, maybe even $200, consolidate, and then eventually later on break out. Because the breakout, I do expect. Do I expect the breakout today or tomorrow? No. Those are my thoughts. Whether you want to do something with it or not, that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.